Google Authenticator serves as a critical security tool for millions of users worldwide, generating time-based verification codes for two-factor authentication. However, users frequently encounter a significant challenge when they lose access to these essential codes. Two-factor authentication represents a fundamental security layer that protects user accounts from unauthorized access. When Google Authenticator codes become inaccessible, users face potential lockout from critical services including email, cloud storage, and financial accounts. In 2025, users have several established recovery methods available when Google Authenticator codes become inaccessible. The primary recovery options include backup codes, SMS verification where enabled, and comprehensive account recovery processes through service providers. The optimal recovery approach depends entirely on the user's specific security configuration and available backup options. Users who have proactively saved recovery codes possess the most straightforward path to account restoration, while those relying solely on SMS verification face additional limitations. Proactive security measures represent the most effective strategy for preventing Google Authenticator lockouts. Users should immediately save recovery codes in secure locations, enable multiple verification methods, and maintain current account recovery information to ensure continued access to their accounts. Modern Google Authenticator implementations now include direct transfer capabilities between devices, significantly simplifying the process of upgrading phones or switching devices. This feature allows users to migrate their authentication codes seamlessly without requiring individual account reconfiguration. The first recovery method involves using backup codes that you should have saved when initially setting up two-factor authentication. These codes serve as your primary fallback option. Recovery codes are typically stored in a secure location, such as a password manager, printed document, or encrypted file. Each code can only be used once and was generated when you first enabled two-factor authentication. To use a recovery code, navigate to the Google sign-in page where you encounter the two-factor authentication prompt. Select the option for backup codes and enter one of your saved codes exactly as shown, including any spaces or dashes. If a recovery code appears invalid, verify that you have entered it correctly without additional spaces or characters. Each code can only be used once, so ensure you have not previously used that specific code. The second recovery method utilizes SMS verification, provided you have previously configured a backup phone number in your Google account security settings. To initiate SMS recovery, select the option to receive a verification code via text message. Google will send a 6-digit code to your registered backup phone number within a few minutes. Enter the received code promptly, as SMS verification codes typically expire within 10 minutes. If you do not receive the code, verify that your backup phone number is current and request a new code. The third method involves Google's comprehensive account recovery process, which requires identity verification through multiple security questions and account history. Navigate to Google's account recovery page and enter your email address. The system will guide you through a series of verification questions designed to confirm your identity as the legitimate account owner. Google will request various types of information to verify your identity, including previous passwords, account creation date, frequently contacted email addresses, and recent account activity patterns. The account recovery process typically requires 24 to 72 hours for Google to review your submission and verify your identity. You will receive email updates regarding the status of your recovery request. The fourth method involves transferring your authenticator codes to a new device using Google Authenticator's built-in transfer feature, which requires access to your original device. On your original device, open Google Authenticator and access the menu to select the Export Accounts option. This will generate QR codes containing your account information for transfer to the new device. On your new device, install Google Authenticator and select the option to import accounts. Use the camera to scan the QR codes displayed on your original device to complete the transfer process. To prevent future authentication issues, it is essential to maintain multiple recovery options and keep them current. Enable backup phone numbers, save recovery codes securely, and regularly verify that your recovery methods remain accessible.